Hello, my name is Louis Marandola, and this is my Week 4 discussion on teaching exponential functions and logarithms. This week we were presented with 3 different word problems, and I chose problem 2, which goes as followed. In 1992, there were 285 alligators in Orange County, Florida. The number of alligators increased by 75% per year after 1992. How many alligators were there in Orange County, Florida in 2001? In order to solve this word problem, we must first identify the variables. And how I went about that is by first listing down all the facts. So in 1992, Orange County equaled 285 gators. And every year after that, the alligator population increased by 75%. So we can use X to represent years. 75% of 285 is equal to 213.75. And to make it a whole number, we'll round up to 214. Since this is a question of how much did the alligator population increase in X number of years, we can use a formula for exponential growth. The exponential function that I came up with to figure out the answer to this question is f of x equals 214x plus 285. So, if we're trying to figure out how many gators were in Orange County in 2001, we have to plug in 9. Because 2001 is 9 years after 1992. So if we plug in 9 for x, we would get f of x equals 214 times 9 plus 285. And once we do the math, we get f of 9 equals 2,211 gators. How might this apply to my field of study? Not just in marine biology, but in all different fields of study, populations or values are always increasing and decreasing. Specifically, I hope to study coral reefs, and it's not far off to think that at some point I will be tasked with estimating the population of coral or a species that lives on the reef, and what it will be in X number of years. A simple function, like the one we just used to solve our word problem, would be a useful tool in answering that question. About logarithms. A logarithm is basically an equation to find the exponent of a number. You write logarithms based off of the equation log b of x equals y. And to better understand all the parts of this equation, log b of x equals y can also be translated into b to the y power equals x. It is important to note that base b is always positive. And some real-world applications for logarithms would be sound intensity, the pH of solutions, chemical reactions, the yield of chemical reactions, the production of goods, and infant growth. Thank you.